we're moving on, shifting our entire focus to the NEET row. The Bihar angle in the NEET controversy has taken a sensational new turn, with Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Sinha showing papers and documents to claim a link between the main accused of the NEET paper leak in the state with a close aide of RJD leader and former Deputy CM of Bihar, Tejasvi Yadav. The RJD has denied the allegations, but the Bihar government led by BJP and JDU claim that main accused Sikandar Yadavendu, whose close aide of Lalu Yadav, was allegedly associated with Tejasvi Yadav's close aide, who's Pritam Kumar. As per the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Pritam Kumar is the personal secretary of Tejasvi Yadav. He called a worker at the guest house where the accused put up students to mug up the leaked question paper. This worker, who was called is Pradeep Kumar. His identity is Pradeep Kumar. Pradeep Kumar was paraded before the media. Vijay Sinha then went on to even claim that on the 4th of May, on the eve of the NEET exam, Pritam Kumar called Pradeep Kumar thrice to book a room in the name of Sikandar Yadavendu. The booking was done in the name of a Mantriji. As per the BJP, this Mantriji is Tejasvi Yadav. We also accessed the guest house registry which mentions Mantriji. Listen in to what Vijay Sinha said.
किसके आदेश पर ठहरने का उन्हें अवसर मिला था? जो जानकारी आई है कि 1 मई को तेजस्वी यादव के आप सचिव प्रीतम कुमार के मोबाइल नंबर 7488061813 से रात्रि 9:07 में पथ निर्माण विभाग में कार्यरत प्रदीप कुमार के मोबाइल नंबर 9430469924 पर NHI गेस्ट हाउस में सिकंदर कुमार यादवेंदु के लिए कमरे की बुकिंग कराने के लिए फोन आया था। उस दिन प्रदीप कुमार इस पर कोई संज्ञान नहीं लिया।
This is the biggest clincher in the NEET scam. What we've accessed are mark sheets and confession notes. Full extent of the Bihar NEET scam has been exposed now. Bihar NEET sheets, mark sheets and their confession notes have been accessed. 85 in physics and 5 in chemistry. That's the marking that Anurag Yadav got, the marks that he got. We will also try and connect with our reporters, but these are details of individuals who took part in this scam and then also in their confession letter admitted that they were part of this crime. Priyank is joining us with more details. In the confession, they are admitting they were part of this ring, part of this crime. They received these question papers, also dropping names. What we are showing on the screen right now are the mark sheets of these individuals, the accused, who've been also arrested.
Yes, Randy Swati, on 13th of this month, we showed the confession statement of these accused before the police officer under CRPC section 161. But look at the mark sheet. How is it possible that a meritorious student will get 85% in one subject and suddenly the number of which can be, they can get in other subject will be of 5%. This clearly implies that the statement which was given by the accused that they got the question paper a day, a night before this examination is also being substantiated by these mark sheet. If one of the accused was able to mug up the answer sheet of all the papers of physics, then certainly there was some kind of discrepancy and he could not remember or memorize the answers of the chemistry. That could be the only logical reason, because we are talking about those students who have to appear before an examination. They would have prepared something. It is certainly not possible that this kind of 75% difference in the mark sheet can happen without any kind of connivance. We have the statement of these accused where they have stated that the Anurag's uncle called him. He was preparing for the MBBS, but his uncle called, who has also been arrested. that you come here, I've sorted out things. The moment he landed there, he was taken to a guest house, which you were mentioning, and at the guest house, he could not memorize the answers of chemistry paper.
Right. Priyank, stay on with us. We also have Sagarika joining us on the broadcast from the newsroom. Sagarika, we already have the confession letter. The accused has confessed that he was part of this ring, part of the crime, and also now more details coming in terms of the bribe that was paid.
Yes.
You will take us through the mark sheet, I believe?
Yes. Swati, so these mark sheets are of the arrested accused, and all these mark sheets and confession notes have been accessed by Priyank. And as he gets you the details, I'm just going to read out and show you the glaring discrepancies. Who are we talking about? We're talking about one of the arrested accused whose name is Anurag Yadav. Now, Anurag Yadav is the relative of the kingpin whose name is Sikandar Yaduvendra. Now, if you remember, we spoke about Anurag's confession yesterday, who said that on the previous night, he was the one who was booked into the guest house. Next to his name, Mantri Ji was also written in the register. Now, let's show you the mark sheet. This Anurag, who accessed or who in fact paid a bribe or is the relative of Sikandar Yaduvendra, who got the leaked question paper a night before the exam, he manages to score 89.75 in physics. Now look at his score in chemistry. It was 5. Now this is another mark sheet. Let's show you the mark sheet of, I'm just pulling up the mark sheet of Anurag. Now, in Anurag's mark sheet, you'll see how he's got, and this is also another confession. We'll show you the mark sheet once again, Swati, but the discrepancy in the mark sheet is 85 in physics and 5 in chemistry. Those visuals are also there on your screen.
Right.
And this is a confession. Now, there's a confession of another arrested accused as accessed by Priyank. And this is the confession note of Ayush Raj. What does Ayush Raj say? Ayush goes on to say कि सिकंदर अंकल के पास गए तथा जहां पर नीट का प्रश्न एवं उत्तर को रटाया एवं पढ़ाया जा रहा था, इस संबंध में पहले से मुझे कोई जानकारी नहीं थी. So he talks about this is a student. His father was known to Sikandar Yaduvendra, the kingpin who was arrested. Anurag is the relative of Sikandar Yaduvendra. Ayush is another NEET candidate who's been arrested. He's among the 13 who've been arrested in Bihar. Ayush goes on to say that I was preparing for NEET. My father got in touch with Sikandar Yaduvendra. He refers to him as Sikandar uncle. I'll read it again. अपने पिताजी के साथ सिकंदर अंकल के पास गए तथा जहां पर नीट का प्रश्न एवं उत्तर को रटाया एवं पढ़ाया जा रहा था. Now, we'll also tell you about Ayush's father's confession. That's also another confession note that we've accessed here. And we're going to also tell our viewers more about it. So, these are some mark sheets that we've accessed. And these are, and also, those who got the mark sheets, look at, there is another arrested student whose name is Shivanand Kumar. Now, there are some who got the mark sheets and their score is 89 in physics, 85 in chemistry, 90 in biology, and the total is 89. So high, the kind of high scores that they've accessed. These are some of the mark sheets and the confessions. It also goes on to explain the extent of the cheating that took place a night before the exam in Bihar.
All right, Sagarika, stay on with us. Priyank is also this on the broadcast. We have Abhishek Raj joining us as well. अभिषेक, मार्कशीट्स हमने एक्सेस की हैं, कन्फेशन हमने एक्सेस किया, अनुराग यादव का ही नहीं, आयुष का भी, दोनों एक ही नाम ले रहे हैं, सिकंदर का जो कि इस वक्त मास्टरमाइंड कहिए या किंगपिन के तौर पर सामने आ रहा है. मार्कशीट्स जो है वो पोल खोल रही हैं.
देखिए, बिल्कुल आपको समझना पड़ेगा ये पूरा सिंडिकेट काम कैसे करता है. इस पूरे एपिसोड के अंदर 4 मेन किरदार हैं. आप समझिए, नीतीश कुमार, अंकित आनंद, सिकंदर और उसके बाद ये सारे बच्चे. होता यूं है कि ये सारे बच्चे कांटेक्ट में आते हैं सिकंदर के. सिकंदर, जो कि बताया जा रहा है कि इस पूरे एपिसोड का किंगपिन है, वो दोस्त रहता है नीतीश और अंकित आनंद का. सिकंदर के जरिए ही ये सारे बच्चे नीतीश और आनंद के पास पहुंचते हैं. उनको क्वेश्चन पेपर्स दिए जाते हैं, उनको बाकायदा वो क्वेश्चन पेपर्स के आंसर्स बताए जाते हैं और रटवाया जाता है. जो कन्फेशन लेटर हमारे पास है, उस कन्फेशन लेटर की अगर आप माने तो उसके अंदर साफ साफ बच्चों ने स्वीकारा है, जिसमें कि एक बच्चा ये भी बता रहा है कि मेरे पिताजी ने मुझे कोटा से बुलाया. दूसरा बच्चा जो अनुराग यादव है ये भी कोटा में पढ़ता था, इसको भी कोटा से बुलाया गया और बाकायदा ये शब्द उसके अंदर कन्फेशन में लिखा हुआ है कि नीट की सेटिंग हो गई है, यानी कि बातचीत जो है, सेटिंग जो है वो यहां पटना के अंदर ऑलरेडी ये लोग कर चुके थे। दानापुर डिवीजन के अंदर जो सिकंदर है वो जूनियर इंजीनियर था और यहीं पे उसकी मुलाकात नीतीश और अंकित आनंद से हुई थी। नीतीश और अंकित आनंद ने सिकंदर को बताया कि भाई देखो 30 से 35 लाख रुपए लगेंगे और इसके बीच में नीट का क्वेश्चन पेपर हम निकलवा देंगे। यहां तक अंकित आनंद ने बताया कि 2024 में जो बीपीएससी का एग्जाम हुआ था उसके भी क्वेश्चन पेपर्स लीक कराने में उसका काफी अहम रोल था और ईओयू ने उसको पहले भी अरेस्ट किया था। अब आप समझिए कि जब सिकंदर इन सभी बातों को मान लेता है, वो कहता है कि भाई हमारी भी काम करा दो, 4 लड़के हैं हमारे पास, इन चारों लड़कों के डिटेल्स को पहले नीतीश और अंकित आनंद को दिए जाते हैं, इनके पेरेंट्स से बातचीत होती है। अखिलेश जो कि इसमें नया
अभी जो चीज सामने आई है वो ये कि सिकंदर ने कहीं से ये पेपर्स अपने पास लाए, ऑर्गेनाइज किया, सेटिंग की बात की। सिकंदर के पास कहां से आया, वो आगे किस किस से जुड़ा था, ये जांच का विषय है। Let me go back to Sagarika. Perhaps she'll throw more light on the mark sheets and the other documents that we've accessed.
See, the mark sheet that I was talking about, and this is something that we've just opened up. We were talking to you about Anurag Yadav. You remember the confession that we spoke about. Now let's look at the scores once again. Physics 85.828, chemistry 5.042. So many are asking that if a student is bright enough to get 85.828 in physics, how is it that he manages to get, and who's giving NEET, how is it that he manages to get only 5 percentile in chemistry? Then when it comes to biology, that is botany and zoology, he gets 51.047. And Anurag Yadav is the arrested NEET candidate, a relative of Sikandar Yaduvendu. So this is the mark sheet and this is the marks that say it all.
Right. Let me quickly, in fact, try and go back to Priyank. Priyank, if you can hear me, and we're looking at these mark sheets and one can notice a discrepancy. Now, based on this, what can we at this moment say? Were they given specific portions to mug up, and that's why we see the discrepancy?
No, so it's not, because they got all the question paper, but the talent of a student is something which can be ascertained by examination only. And even after you are being spoon-fed, you have to, perform on the ground. This is what we have seen in the past also. So in the case of 2 of the students, we are talking about Ayush Raj, who got 85.36% in chemistry and 15.52% in chemistry. But if you look at the mark sheet of Ayush Raj, he got 87.80% in biology. So this is quite not possible, because even if they have been preparing for examination, they would have been taught all the subjects. They could have, all these accused were taken to one only location. So in the panic situation, 2 of them could not perform, 2 of them could perform, but everything went for the toss the moment Bihar police got a tip off that something like this is happening. Let's go by the mark sheet once again, if you allow. As Sagarika has already pointed out, Anurag got 85% in physics, and suddenly in chemistry 80% dropped down. This is not possible. Then you talk about Ayush Raj. Ayush Raj got 15% each in physics and chemistry, but in biology he got 87%. So that is certainly not possible. The only theory on which Bihar police is working, that they were given the answer sheet. 2 of them could mug up, 2 of them could not.
Perhaps, on a lighter note, जैसे कहते हैं कि रट्टा मारने के लिए भी talent चाहिए, that was missing. Priyank, stay on with us. We have some breaking inputs coming in. I'll go to Rishabh for more on that. Bihar NEET paper leak probe has escalated. It is gathering pace. Senior Bihar Economic Offences Unit officer is in the national capital. The probe, remember, is gathering pace. Amidst all this hectic parlays, hectic developments taking place. Rishabh, over to you.
Well, what we're learning now, the sources suggest that the senior officers led by an ADG rank officer of Economic Offence Unit of Bihar Police is in Delhi. They met the Education Minister yesterday and apprised him of all their findings in this case. As per the sources, in the meeting, there were in presence were Education Minister, senior officials of Education Ministry, NTA, officials of NTA and Bihar Police Economic Offence Unit as well. And Economic Offence Unit in detail explained what all they have gathered in the investigation and the evidence that they have recovered till now. The evidence included OMR sheets, evidence included admit cards, even those papers which had questions and match the actual question paper of NEET is what we are given to understand. Dharmendra Pradhan, the Education Minister, has been apprised of all this, and what also the sources suggest that EOU, the Economic Offence Unit of Bihar, is convinced that the paper were leaked, the paper's integrity was compromised, and EOU has put this all forward to the Education Ministry. And remember, yesterday at the press conference when we asked Dharmendra Pradhan that, what do you see, because net paper has been cancelled given that they were present on dark net. Here also it's clear evidence coming out that the papers were leaked.
Absolutely.
He said that these are isolated events.
So
now
the Education Minister, as per sources, has been apprised of all the developments by the officials of the EOU of Bihar Police. And according to sources, they are convinced, the officials are convinced that the exam was compromised. It remains to be seen the call that the ministry is going to take based on all the information that the minister has received. A quick break with that. Priyank, Sagarika and Rishabh, thank you for the updates.